Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson 2. Thank you, friend. Once in a forest lived a crow, a tortoise, and a mouse. Forest in the sense a large area of land covered with trees. See, there are trees now? Yes, a large area of land covered with trees, that is called forest. They were good friends. Who were good friends? A crow, a tortoise, and a mouse. One day, as they sat talking, they saw a deer running towards them. Who was coming towards them? Deer. A deer was coming. Them in the sense a crow, a tortoise, and a mouse. The deer was being chased by a hunter. Don't be afraid, said the tortoise. Who said? Tortoise said. Tortoise said to a deer that don't be afraid. Hunters never come so far into the forest. What did tortoise say? Tortoise said, hunters never come so far into the forest. Forest in the sense a large area of land covered with trees. The deer sat down and said, I am safe now. Who was safe now? A deer. A deer was safe now. Why don't you stay with us? Asked the tortoise. Tortoise said, Why don't you stay with us? The deer agreed. The deer agreed to live with them. The four soon became good friends. Who were the four? A crow, a tortoise, a mouse, and a deer. The deer agreed, and the four soon became good friends. Every day they met and spent time with each other. One morning, the deer did not come. The crow said, I will look around for him, and flew away. What happened one morning? One morning, the deer did not return. That time, crow said, I am going, and I will look around for him, and flew away. Look for means to search. Look for, it is a verb. The meaning of look for means search. And who was going for searching? The crow. Soon he saw the deer trapped in a net on the bank of a river. Who he means? The crow. Yes, the crow saw the deer trapped in a net. Trapped means caught something. Trapped means caught something. See, deer is there now. See, this is deer, and deer is in the net. Trapped in the net. Yes. He went back and told his friend what he had seen. We must do something quickly. We must do something quickly. Who said? Deer and crow. They said we must do something quickly. Otherwise, the hunter will come and take him away, said the tortoise. Who said? Said the tortoise. The mouse said, if the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. Yes, who said? The mouse said, because the mouse can cut the rope. That's why mouse said, you takes me there, I will cut the ropes. So the crow picked the mouse up in his beak and flew to the river bank. The mouse cut the ropes. The mouse cut the ropes. That's why they has taken the mouse, because you know very well the mouse can cut the ropes. The deer was free now. The tortoise too came crawling. Crawling in the sense to move slowly with your body on the ground. What is the meaning of crawling? To move slowly with your body on the ground. And tortoise always crawls. As the four friends were about to leave, they saw the hunter coming. As the four friends, who were four friends? tortoise, mouse, deer and rat. And when they were going, they saw the hunter coming. The crow flew up on a tree. The crow flew up on a tree by seeing the hunter. The mouse ran and hid himself in the grass by seeing the hunter. And the deer also ran away by seeing the hunter. However, the tortoise was slow and got caught, because you know very well the tortoise crawls. Because he crawls, he was very slow and he got caught in the hunter, from the hunter's net. The hunter began walking along the river bank with the tortoise. Now, deer thought a plan to save the tortoise, because tortoise was in the hand of hunter. That's why deer was making a plan to save the tortoise. He told the crow and the mouse. He told the crow and the mouse about it. It means about his plan. He lay down in the path of the hunter. So, see, this is, who is he? Yes, he is deer. He lay down in the path of hunter. Hunter is coming. He lay down in the path of hunter. And he was showing as though he were dead. He was not dead, but he was showing that he was dead. The crow sat on the deer's head and gently pecked at it. Okay, now turn the page. The hunter was happy to see the deer. The hunter was very happy by seeing the deer, and he dropped his net. What was in his net? Tortoise. And he dropped his net because he saw the deer on the way and walked towards the deer. The mouse ran and gnawed. Gnawed means in the sense bite. See, this is the word. The spelling starts with G, but we don't pronounce this G. G is silent. Gnawed, but pronunciation is gnawed. Gnawed means bite. Gnawed means bite at the ropes of the net. When the hunter came close, the crow flew away, and that deer jumped up and ran fast. The tortoise was free. He crawled to the river and slipped into the water. Now 4 friends were safe. Now we have completed our story. And what did you learn from this story? A true friend always helps us whenever we are in problem. What did you learn? A true friend always helps us whenever we are in problem. You also read these chapters many times. Alright, and now I am giving you difficult words. You underline in that words and try to learn that words and write that words in classwork copy 5 times. Start underlining. Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Next one is tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Next is chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. Afraid, A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Trapped, T-R-A-P-P-E-D, trapped. Next is quickly, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Then crawling, C-R-A-W-L-I-N-G, crawling. However, H-O-W, how, E-V-E-R, ever, however. Next is thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Then gently, Gently, gently. Now turn the page. Next one is dropped, 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 Dropped. Nod, we have already discussed this word. G will be silent and the pronunciation will be nod. Gnawed, nod. Nod means bite. Yes. Slipped, Slipped. Slipped. Now we have already completed our difficult words also. You write that words in your classwork copy 5 times and learn that words. Okay, and I will give you question answers in PDF. You write that question answers in your notes copy, and as it is I will write, as it is you will write in your notes copy. Okay, and start learning also. Okay, good day.